A very warm namaste to all my subscribers, to all the viewers who have joined in, and all my friends who are watching me today. So today we are going to be learning two things. How to make a 3-layered kundan set in semi-precious stones, and if you stay with me by the end of this video, I will tell you how to reuse your old kundan set to make a brand new kundan set. So let us start with the crafting of the 3-layered kundan set in semi-precious stones.
Welcome to my working table. Here I am displaying in front of you on my mat 2 layers of kundan strings. One is a bigger kundan string and one is a smaller kundan string with a smaller stone. They have to be placed like this as I am showing here. I will be using these green beads in between to form another layer, as this is a 3-layered kundan necklace. This is a connector, this is another connector. I am going to be using both the connectors, some jump rings, one cord, one plier and one cutter. So now I am starting with the green layer. These are jades in green color. I will be forming in between and connecting this with this connectors on both the sides, and then the last part would be to join the string, the dory as we call it at the back. The wire for beading which I am using here is the tiger tail. This is in golden color, and this goes very well with the Indian jewelry projects, as most of the jewelry we make are in gold. So here the string is complete and I am showing you how to place the kundans along with the string. We have some extra beads which I am going to remove just to make sure where the strings stand when complete. Now the last part is to attach the connectors. After I have attached the connectors, I will again place the strings to see whether everything is in place. As you can see, I have finished the necklace. I have attached everything and put together everything. I have also attached the 2 strings at the top to give it some play. Now I am going to have some tea and give myself a break. I will come and see you again. This is how it looks after everything is finished. The only thing left is to place the stones at the bottom layer of the bigger kundans. I am placing these as I want them to hang from the kundans. Now these will be attached by a fused wire like this. I will cut this wire into two so that I can use it for two beads. For attaching these beads to the kundans, the wires have to be looped inside the box's grooves and then twisted around the beads from at the top of the bead, and the extra wire has to be cut. After everything is done and all the beads are in place in the kundans, we need to measure the necklace as to total length of the necklace is as desired by the client. This is 14 inches from side, which is into 2. That means this will be around 28 inches. With the dory, you measure starting from the dory to the bottom of the bead. That's the length of the necklace.
A handcrafted kundan set can be converted into a brand new kundan set. Isn't that wonderful? That's what I'm going to be sharing with you by the end of this video. So do stay with me. Don't miss that out. How many times have you gone to the market to buy kundan jewelry and came back just thinking how expensive was that item? How very expensive. What am I going to do with that set after it is worn once? Because you cannot wear that set again. We are going to the same circles, we are going to the same group, we have the same circle of friends. So we don't like to wear the same jewelry again and again. So what do we do when you don't want to be wasting your money in just one single set for one time wear? That's where I come in. Yes. When you're buying kundans from me, when you're buying a handcrafted kundan set from me, like this one, isn't it pretty? The kundans I procure from the market are straight from the manufacturers. The kundans I use, I specifically give the instructions to my manufacturers to give me the best available kundans in artificial jewelry. They are the nearest to the real as possible in the artificial category. So when you're buying kundans from me, I will give you the best available. These kundans can be reused to make a new set of jewelry. So when you're buying a jewelry set from me, your jewelry set can be converted into a new set altogether. Isn't that wonderful? I find that superb because that's what I do for myself. When I make a jewelry set for somebody, I always tell them, your kundans can be reused again if you keep them properly the way I tell you to, and they can be made into a brand new jewelry set which you can wear for a new function or a new occasion with a new outfit. I operate through my Facebook page called Varuni's Firefly Blinks and my Instagram handle called Varuni's, and the links are given in the description box below. If you like my video of today, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bells icon for future updates. Also, if you like the content, do visit me again.